Welcome to Mato Grosso, a vast and vibrant state in the heart of Brazil. Here, nature reigns supreme, from the immense wetlands of the Pantanal to the towering cliffs of Chapada dos Guimarães. Join me, David Attenborough, as we venture into this untamed paradise, a land teeming with life in all its forms. Over the next few weeks, we will journey through diverse ecosystems, each with its own unique character and inhabitants. Prepare to witness the awe-inspiring power of nature and the delicate balance that sustains this remarkable region. The Pantanal, a name derived from the Portuguese word for swamp, is anything but. This vast, sprawling wetland is a marvel of nature, a place where water and land intertwine in a delicate dance that sustains an incredible diversity of life. This is the world's largest tropical wetland, a vast expanse of grasslands, forests, and waterways that dwarfs even the Everglades of Florida. Covering an area of over 42 million acres, the Pantanal is a mosaic of ecosystems, each teeming with unique flora and fauna. Here, the rhythm of life is dictated by the ebb and flow of the waters. The Pantanal experiences a dramatic transformation with the changing seasons, shifting from a dry savanna to a lush, waterlogged paradise. During the rainy season, the rivers swell, inundating the land and transforming the landscape into a shimmering mirror reflecting the sky. This annual flood is not a disaster, but a vital event that rejuvenates the ecosystem, bringing nutrients and life to the region. This annual flood brings with it an explosion of life. The waters create a haven for countless species, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals, all thriving in this temporary aquatic world. Fish teem in the shallows, attracting a dazzling array of wading birds. Jabiru storks with their impressive wingspans, standing tall and majestic as they hunt for their next meal. Roseate spoonbills with their delicate pink plumage, and countless others. These birds add a splash of color to the landscape, their presence a testament to the richness of the Pantanal's biodiversity. As the waters recede, they leave behind a rich tapestry of life. The floodwaters deposit nutrient-rich silt, creating fertile grounds for plants to flourish and providing ample food for herbivores. Capybaras, the world's largest rodents, graze on the lush vegetation. These gentle giants are a common sight, their presence a reminder of the Pantanal's abundance. Jaguars, masters of camouflage, stalk their prey along the riverbanks. These elusive predators are a symbol of the wild, their stealth and power a crucial part of the Pantanal's intricate food web. Giant river otters, playful and social creatures, frolic in the remaining pools. Their energetic antics are a joy to watch, showcasing the lighter side of life in this dynamic environment. The Pantanal is a testament to the power of adaptation. Where life thrives in a constantly changing environment, it is a place of wonder and resilience, a flooded paradise that continues to captivate and inspire all who witness its beauty. Rising abruptly from the surrounding plains, Chapada dos Guimarães is a plateau sculpted by time and the elements. Towering sandstone cliffs, weathered into fantastic shapes, dominate the landscape. These ancient formations are not just a feast for the eyes, but also provide a haven for a unique array of plants and animals. Waterfalls cascade over the sheer cliffs, their misty plumes nourishing a verdant tapestry of ferns and orchids. Black and chestnut eagles soar effortlessly on the thermals, their keen eyes scanning the landscape for prey. Hidden within the crevices of the cliffs are ancient rock paintings, testaments to the human presence in this region for millennia. Today, Chapada dos Guimarães is a paradise for hikers and adventurers, drawn to its breathtaking views and the chance to connect with nature's raw beauty. Though only a small portion of the mighty Amazon rainforest extends into Mato Grosso, its presence is deeply felt. This region, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a vital component of our planet's ecological balance. The Amazon's reach into Mato Grosso is a testament to its vastness and the interconnectedness of our natural world. This is a realm of towering trees, their canopies forming a dense emerald ceiling above the forest floor. These trees, some of which have stood for centuries, create a complex and layered habitat that supports an incredible diversity of life. The canopy is not just a roof, but a bustling ecosystem in its own right, teeming with life and activity. The air is thick with humidity, alive with the sounds of insects and the calls of unseen birds. This symphony of nature is a constant reminder of the vibrancy and vitality of the rainforest. Every breath you take here is filled with the essence of life, a mix of earthy scents and the sweet aroma of blooming flowers. Here, biodiversity reaches its zenith. The Amazon is home to an astonishing array of flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Monkeys swing through the branches, their calls echoing through the trees. These agile primates are not just a delight to watch, but are also key players in the forest's health, helping to disperse seeds and maintain the growth of various plant species. Macaws, with their brilliant plumage, flash through the foliage. These vibrant birds are a symbol of the rainforest's beauty and diversity. Their presence is a visual feast, and their calls add to the rich tapestry of sounds that define the Amazon. Tapirs, shy and elusive creatures, browse on the forest floor. These gentle giants are often hard to spot, but their role in the ecosystem is significant. They help to shape the forest by feeding on a variety of plants, aiding in seed dispersal and promoting new growth. The Amazon is not just a treasure trove of life, but also plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. Its vast expanse acts as a giant carbon sink, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide and helping to mitigate the effects of global warming. The health of the Amazon is directly linked to the health of our planet. Its vast forests absorb carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. This process of carbon sequestration is crucial in our fight against global warming. The Amazon's ability to store carbon makes it an invaluable ally in our efforts to stabilize the Earth's climate. Protecting this precious ecosystem is not just a local concern, but a global imperative. The Amazon's health affects us all, and its preservation is essential for the well-being of future generations. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that this natural wonder continues to thrive and support the myriad forms of life that depend on it. Deep within the heart of Mato Grosso lies Juruena National Park, a vast wilderness of pristine rivers, dense forests and towering waterfalls. This is one of the most remote and well-preserved areas in the Amazon Basin, a sanctuary for countless species, many found nowhere else on Earth. The park is named after the mighty Juruena River, which winds its way through the heart of the reserve. Its clear, fast-flowing waters support a remarkable diversity of fish, including the iconic pirarucu, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world. Juruena is also home to a healthy population of jaguars, the apex predators of this ecosystem. These elusive cats are a symbol of the park's wild spirit, a reminder of the importance of protecting these last bastions of wilderness. Flowing northwards for over 1,600 miles, the Araguaia River is a lifeline for the people and wildlife of central Brazil. Its waters support a remarkable diversity of life, from the tiniest insects to the largest river dolphins. During the dry season, the Araguaia shrinks, revealing countless sandy islands and beaches. These temporary havens attract a wealth of wildlife, including flocks of migratory birds seeking refuge from the harsh conditions further south. The Araguaia is also a vital waterway for local communities, providing transportation, fishing, and a source of sustenance. However, this delicate balance is under threat from deforestation, pollution, and the construction of dams. Protecting the Araguaia is crucial for preserving the livelihoods of both people and wildlife. The Xingu River Basin is not just a place of immense natural beauty, but also a region of profound cultural significance. For centuries, indigenous communities have lived in harmony with this land, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the river. The Xingu River itself is a tributary of the Amazon, its waters flowing through a mosaic of rainforests, savannas, and wetlands. This diversity of habitats supports a remarkable array of wildlife, including giant otters, black spider monkeys, and the iconic harpy eagle, one of the largest and most powerful raptors in the world. However, the Xingu Basin is facing unprecedented challenges from deforestation, mining, and the construction of hydroelectric dams. These activities threaten not only the region's biodiversity, but also the cultural survival of the indigenous communities who call this place home. Often overlooked in favor of the Amazon, the Cerrado is a unique ecosystem in its own right. This vast expanse of land, often referred to as the Brazilian savanna, is a treasure trove of biodiversity and ecological wonder. While the Amazon's dense canopies and lush greenery capture the world's attention, the Cerrado's open landscapes and thorny vegetation hold secrets just as captivating. This vast savanna, covering nearly a quarter of Brazil's landmass, is a mosaic of grasslands, woodlands, and wetlands. Each of these habitats supports a unique array of species, creating a complex web of life that is both resilient and fragile. The Cerrado's grasslands stretch as far as the eye can see, interspersed with patches of dense woodlands and seasonal wetlands that come alive during the rainy season. Unlike the lush rainforests of the Amazon, the Cerrado is characterized by its dry season, when fires sweep across the landscape. These fires, often ignited by lightning or human activity, play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. They clear away dead vegetation, recycle nutrients back into the soil, and create space for new growth. Without these periodic fires, the Cerrado would lose much of its unique character and biodiversity. These fires, though seemingly destructive, are an integral part of the Cerrado's ecology, clearing away dead vegetation and allowing new growth to flourish. In the aftermath of a fire, the landscape is dotted with green sprouts and new life, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the species that call the Cerrado home. This cycle of destruction and renewal is a natural process that has shaped the Cerrado for millennia. The Cerrado is home to a remarkable array of plants and animals adapted to its harsh conditions. From the hardy grasses that dominate the landscape to the diverse array of flowering plants, the flora of the Cerrado is uniquely suited to survive in an environment where water can be scarce and temperatures can soar. The fauna is equally impressive, with species that have evolved to thrive in this challenging habitat. Maned wolves, with their long legs and reddish fur, stalk through the tall grasses. These enigmatic creatures are the largest canids in South America and are perfectly adapted to the open landscapes of the Cerrado. Their long legs help them navigate the tall grasses, while their keen senses allow them to detect prey from a distance. Despite their wolf-like appearance, maned wolves are solitary hunters, relying on their stealth and agility to catch small mammals, birds, and even fruit. Giant anteaters with their sticky tongues feast on termites and ants. These fascinating creatures are perfectly adapted to their diet, with long tubular snouts and powerful claws for breaking into termite mounds. Their tongues can extend up to 2 feet, allowing them to reach deep into ant nests and termite colonies. Despite their specialized diet, giant anteaters play a crucial role in controlling insect populations in the Cerrado. The Cerrado is a testament to the resilience of life, even in the face of adversity. Its inhabitants, both plant and animal, have evolved to survive in an environment that is both beautiful and harsh. The Cerrado's unique blend of grasslands, woodlands, and wetlands creates a dynamic and ever-changing landscape, where life finds a way to thrive against the odds. This remarkable ecosystem is a reminder of the incredible diversity and adaptability of nature. As our journey through Mato Grosso comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe at the sheer scale and diversity of this remarkable region. From the flooded plains of the Pantanal to the towering cliffs of Chapada dos Guimarães, Mato Grosso is a testament to the power of nature and the importance of preserving our planet's wild places. But Mato Grosso is not just a place of natural wonder. It is also a land of rich culture and history, where people have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. As we move forward, it is essential that we learn from the past and work together to ensure a sustainable future for this precious corner of the earth.